Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, sharing the knowledge. Before starting the class, I want to say something to you. This is a very concept class and some of you may already knew it, but still watch this video and recall that and practice it, because you all know that practice makes a man perfect. If whatever you are learning, it will be in your mind for few days, but if you will practice it regularly, then it will be in your mind forever. So keep practicing. So let's start the class without wasting your time. So today we will study about number system of mathematics. Okay. So mathematics is all about numbers. It is a game of numbers or play of numbers. Okay. So first of all, you should know what is number. Okay. So number is formed of digits. So you all know digits or not? Okay. So there are 10 digits. How many? There are 10 digits from 0 to 9. Okay. So these digits together form numbers. Okay. So in this class you will come to learn about number and digits, place value and face value, expanded form, prime number, composite number, co-prime number, twin primes, natural number, whole number, integer and rational number. Okay. So first of all we will discuss it one by one. So when you are not able to understand, please pause the video and watch this video from previous. Okay. So let's start. First, number and digits. Okay, I have already told you that number and digits. Numbers are formed of digits. Digits, how many digits are there? 10 digits. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these digits together for numbers. So how many one digit numbers are there? First tell me. This is a tricky question. How many one digit numbers are there? Yes, from 1 to 9 there are one digit numbers. Okay, 0 will not be counted here. Okay, numbers 1 to 9, one digit number. Then if I will ask you how many two digit numbers are there? Two digit numbers. Okay, wait. One digit number 1 to 9. How many? 9. Two digit number starting from 10 till 99. So how many are there? 10 to 99? Yes, it is 90. Okay, you can count it like 99 minus 10 equal to 89 plus 1 equal to 90. A question may arise in your mind that why 1 is calculated, 1 is added here. Okay, so when you are counting from 10 to 99, 10 will also be added. That's why 1 is added. If you will not add 1, so 10 will not be calculated. Okay, so that's why 1 is added. So there is a formula for this, very easy formula. When the question is count the number of how many numbers are there, 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, any. Okay, so first count what is the largest number. If you will ask 3 digit, how many 3 digit numbers are there? So first count 3 digit largest number. 3 digit largest number, that is 999. Okay, then put 0 here. Okay, equal to. Okay, how many 8 digit numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, put 7 zeros in the right side, on the right side of 9. So this much 8-digit numbers are there. Okay, very easy. You can make question of your own from your own mind and solve it. Okay. Then comes place value and face value. So what is place value? Place value and face value. Sorry, first we will discuss face value. Okay, you know your friend and call it from their name, call him. Okay, Ram, Shyam, Rahul, etc. So how did you recognize them? कैसे तुम उसको पहचानते हो? उसके फेस से पहचानते हो. उसको फेस से दिखता है कि वो राहुल है और anyone else. Okay, so place face value means उसको देख के जो पता चलता है वही होता है. Okay, if you say 3 means 3. This is the face value. 3 means 3. 3 means not any other digits. 3 means 3, not 7, not 2. Okay, so if I will say give me 3 chocolates, that means give 1, 2, 3. This is face value. Okay, so everyone has its separate face value, own face value. Okay, 8 means 8, 9 means 9. Okay, so it is different from place value. Okay, don't be confused from place value and face value. Okay, so place value, how we calculate it? Let the number be 20. Okay, if I will add 7, it will become 27. What is the place value of 2 and 7? Okay, place value of 7 is 7 ones. Place value of 2 is 2 tens. Okay, 2 tens means 20. 7 ones means 7. Okay. Okay, let me tell you about place value of these things. Indian place value system, you know that ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 1 lakh. Okay, so if I put numbers, digits here, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so what is the place value of 3? 300. How much? 300. What is the place value of 4? 4,000. Okay, what is the place value of 2? It is 2 tens means 20. Place value of 1 is 1. If you add these together, it will become 4,321. Okay, is it? Then expanded form. Expanded form of numbers. So when a number is written like this, 329, write this number in expanded form. How do we read this? 329. 329. So expanded form means these 3 numbers together form this number. Okay, so add this 329. You can write this in another form, that is also expanded form, but in another way. 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Okay, is it? Write this number in expanded form, 4,256. And another one, 2,081. Okay, I am doing this one for you. 2,000. We are not reading this digit 0. Okay, because it has not any value. Yes, it has a value. Here it has value, but here it does not have any value. Okay. On the left side 0 has not any value, but on the right side 0 has a value. Okay. So 2000 plus 0 plus 80 plus 1. Okay. Now do another one. 3070. Okay. Do this yourself. The two numbers. Okay. Then come to prime numbers. So you all know about even number and odd number. Even number, those which can be divided by 2. Odd number, which are not divisible by 2. Okay. So I am not discussing that because you all know that even number and odd number. I am discussing about prime number. First come to prime number. What is prime number? Okay. Those numbers which have only two factors, the number itself and 1. Okay. So first tell me, from 1 to 10 how many prime numbers are there? Only two factors there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. How many prime numbers are there? So first take 1. How many factors are there? 1. Only 1 itself and not any other one. So let it. Okay. Number 2. 2 has how many factors? It has two factors. 2 into 1. Yeah? 2. Not in another table. Okay. Let's take 3. 3 has also two factors. 3 into 1 is 3. No, 3 is not in any table. Okay, so 3 1 ja 3. 4, yes, 4 has more than two factors, so it is not a prime number. 2 2 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. Okay, so how many factors are there? 1 2 3. So 4 has more than two factors, so that's why 4 is not a prime number. 5 1 ja 5. So it has not more than two factors. That's why 5 is a prime number. 6. It has more than two factors. 2 into 3. 6 into 1. Okay. 2 3 is 6. 6 1 is 6. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors are there. 7. It has only two factors. 7 1 is 7. So I am saying that prime numbers are those which have only two factors, the number itself and 1. Okay? प्राइम नंबर किसको बोलते हैं? जिस नंबर का सिर्फ दो ही फैक्टर होता है, एक तो वो खुद होता है, दूसरा क्या होता है और 1 होता है. क्या होता है? एक फैक्टर वो नंबर खुद होता है, दूसरा 1 होता है. ओके? So, in prime number there are two other numbers, that is co-prime and twin prime. Co-prime and twin prime. What is co-prime and what is twin prime? Co-prime are those whose HCF is 1. Okay, highest common factor. HCF means highest common factor is 1. They have only one common factor, that is 1. Like 5 and 6. What are the factors of 5? 5 and 1. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. So how many common factors are there? Only 1. One common factor, that is 1. So जो भी दो नंबर होगा, डिजिट हो, नंबर हो, कुछ भी हो, अगर उन दोनों के बीच में एक ही कॉमन फैक्टर है, दैट इज 1. कॉमन फैक्टर होगा एक, दैट इज 1, इज कॉल्ड को-प्राइम नंबर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? जो भी दो नंबर के बीच में एक ही कॉमन फैक्टर होगा, वो एक ही कॉमन फैक्टर क्या होगा, 1. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड co-prime numbers. Okay, first then tell me among of these numbers 7, 12, 8, 10, 9, 14, इन तीनों के बीच में से को-प्राइम नंबर कौन सा है और को-प्राइम नंबर कौन सा नहीं है. ओके, फर्स्ट यू pause this video and write your answer, then match your answer with my answer. Okay. So 7 and 12, how many factors of 7 are there? Only 2 factors, 7 and 1. Okay, how many factors of 12 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, so 7 factor is 1 and 7. How many common factors are there? Only 1. So this is a prime number. Okay, 8 and 10. Factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 10, 1, 2, 5, 10. How many common factors are there? 1, 2. So there are 2 common factors. That's why 8 and 10 is not a co-prime number. So co-prime number means both the numbers must not be prime numbers. Okay, co-prime number means they must not be prime numbers, but their common factors should be 1. Okay, प्राइम को-प्राइम का मतलब ये नहीं है कि दो नंबर प्राइम होना चाहिए, प्राइम नंबर होना चाहिए. ठीक है, दोनों के बीच में फैक्टर 1 होना चाहिए. वो इवन हो सकता है, ऑड हो सकता है, प्राइम हो सकता है, नॉन प्राइम भी हो सकता है. ओके, 9 and 14, do yourself and write the answer in the comment box. 9 and 14. Factors of 9 is 1, 3, 9. Factors of 14 is 1, 2, 7, 14. Okay, so it is a what? Co-prime number. Okay. Okay, then comes twin prime. What is twin prime? Here the prime numbers must, here in twin prime the two numbers must be prime number. Okay, the two numbers must be prime number. In co-prime what happened? The two numbers must not be prime number. Their factors should be 1. Okay, the numbers whose common factor is 1, they are called co-prime. But in twin prime the common factor must not be 1, but their difference is 2. Okay, if I will take 7 and 11, these two are prime numbers, but their difference is what? Not 2. 11 and 7 equal to 4. So these two are not twin primes. Okay, twin primes means the numbers should be close together, very close, and the difference is what? 2. Write down in your copy, make it a note, it will be very helpful for you. So if the difference between them is 2, then they are called twin primes and they must be prime numbers. Okay, here they must not be prime numbers. Okay, understand? I think it is very clear to you. Okay, next comes to you composite number. Composite number. So we have already discussed about prime numbers. What is composite number? Composite numbers are those except prime numbers. So प्राइम नंबर को छोड़ देंगे, जो बाकी बचा वो क्या है? कॉम्पोजिट नंबर है. ओके, कॉम्पोजिट नंबर मीन्स विच हैव मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स. वेरी इजी. कॉम्पोजिट नंबर किसको बोलेंगे? जिसका जो भी नंबर का 2 से ज्यादा फैक्टर होता है. लाइक 4 का क्या होता है? 1, 2, 4. 3 फैक्टर्स आर देयर. 3 फैक्टर है इसका. तो इसलिए ये क्या है? कॉम्पोजिट नंबर है. ओके, next comes to you natural number. So there are the numbers are divided into categorized into 4 types, that is natural number, whole number, integer and rational number. Okay, so first let's take natural number. What are natural numbers? All the counting numbers. जो भी काउंटिंग नंबर है जिसे हम काउंट करने के लिए यूज करते हैं, दैट इज 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to you don't know what is the biggest number, largest number. Okay, so starting from 1, all the numbers starting from 1 except 0. So 0 is not included in natural number. Okay, 0 is not included in natural number. So natural number starts from 1 up to infinity. infinity मतलब हमें पता नहीं कहाँ तक है, क्योंकि हम सबसे बड़ा नंबर हमें तो पता नहीं, इसलिए इसको infinity बोलते हैं. ओके, infinity मतलब असीम. वाह, we can't count that, हम उसको गिन नहीं सकते. ओके, so starts from 1 to infinity. Okay, that is natural number. Then comes whole number. Understand what is natural number? Natural number, all the numbers starting from 1 is called natural number, but 0 is not included here. But whole number, all the natural numbers including 0 is called whole numbers. All the natural numbers means starting from 1 including 0 is called whole number. Understand? सिर्फ यहाँ पे whole number में क्या होता है, 0 ऐड हो जाता है, that is whole number. Okay, understand? Very good. Okay, natural number, whole number, then comes integer. So what is integer? All the natural numbers, whole numbers, and they are negative numbers also. Okay, so 0 is in the middle. Start -1, -2. Sorry. 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, like this. So all the here up to infinity, here up to infinity. So integer means all the positive numbers, all the negative numbers including 0 are called integers. Understand? Positive numbers, negative numbers including 0 is called integers. Understand? Okay. If you did not understand, please write down in comment box, then I will make you understand. Okay. Then comes rational number. Rational number. Rational number in other words you can say fractions. Fractions are otherwise called rational numbers. Okay. Rational number means comparison of two numbers. 2 by 3. It is a rational number. Okay. 4 by 5. It is a rational number. All those numbers that can be represented in the form of p by q, okay, is called rational number. So we can say that all the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, all are rational numbers. Because you can ask me question, why all the integers, whole numbers, natural numbers are called rational numbers? Because p by q फॉर्म में किसको ले सकते हैं? p by q means what? मतलब उसको फ्रैक्शन में लिख सकते हैं, p by q, जिसमें q 0 नहीं होगा. Okay, the numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q where q is not equal to 0. जिस जो भी नंबर को p by q फॉर्म में ले सकते हैं और q 0 नहीं होगा, p 0 हो सकता है लेकिन q 0 नहीं होगा. ओके, उसको बोलते हैं क्या? Rational numbers. Okay. Okay. So P and Q क्या है? P and Q integers. P and Q are integers. May be positive, may be negative, or P may be 0. Okay. You can put P 0, but Q is not equal to 0. Okay. So let's take 2. Why 2 is called rational number? Because we can write down in the denominator 1. 2 by 1 is 2. So it is represented in the form of P by Q. Yes or no? P by Q. Q is not equal to 0. Q is 1. That's why 2 is a rational number. Okay. Then you can say, sir, 0. Yes, 0 is also a rational number. We can write 0 by 1. 1 is not 0. This is not 0. What is the definition? The number or the digits, anything which can be represented in the form of P by Q. Q is not equal to 0. So Q ये है 1, 0 नहीं है. P 0 हो सकता है तो है, तो 0 भी हो गया rational number. Okay, so clear about rational number. So I will give you a picture so that you can understand it better. Like this. Natural number. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Okay, all natural numbers are whole numbers. क्यों? Because 0 is added. सब natural number whole number है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर 0 ऐड होता है, इसलिए whole number सब natural number नहीं होता है. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural number. Okay, all natural numbers are whole numbers, but whole numbers are not equal to natural number. Okay, because whole number has 0. whole number के पास 0 होता है, natural number में 0 नहीं होता, इसलिए whole number natural number नहीं होता, natural number whole number होता है. समझ में आया? Very easy. Okay, then natural number, whole number, then all whole numbers are integers. All whole numbers are integers. We already learned that positive numbers, negative numbers, including 0 is called integers. So here in integer, positive numbers are there, negative numbers are there, including 0. So 0 is whole number. Okay. Then all the integers are rational numbers. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you. Thank you everyone. I think this class is very helpful for you. I will come with another video in part 2. So this is the part 1. Please watch the part 2 also. There are many things to discuss, to learn. Okay. And you can share this video with if this video is helpful to you. Okay. Today's lesson is ask questions to those when you are teaching, when you are learning. Okay, if you have any doubt, don't shy to ask questions to your teachers, because if you will stay with these questions, there may be rise many doubts in your mind and you will not be able to solve any questions. Okay, when you have any question in your mind, ask your teacher without any shy. Okay, so if you are learning correctly, then questions may arise in your mind, doubts may arise in your mind. If you ask question, that your teacher will be also happy, because they are there to solve your questions. Okay, solve your doubt. Okay, so this is for all.